Level IT Hydra Bond is a semi-rapid, fibre-reinforced, high-performance smoothing underlayment. Level IT Hydra Bond is specifically formulated with EnviroB technology, which is a unique recycled material. Level IT Hydra Bond is suitable for use over most common substrates, including old adhesive residues and bitumen. Level IT Hydra Bond is moisture tolerant for use below a DPM as well as on top. It has an extended working time of 45 minutes with a cover time in as little as 4 hours.